So it's a yard boy stretch. I'm just want to say welcome back to 806 and chill, you see me? So I know say Raquel prank me. You see me, I say so I do a comeback at her and things, so I'm gonna try and see how best I can do it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prank her, say I drop her laptop and the screen crack. You see me? Her laptop her pride and joy. She use it for do everything, her work, everything, you see me? I'm not gonna need her laptop. I'm not gonna use the next one, but I'll go to her and I tell her say I borrow it tonight. You see me? I tell her say I borrow it because I want to check some email and them things. So I see if she give me it. If she give me it, I'm gonna just pull a prank up on her. I try to see her reaction. I see how best I can do it because I know that one I'll get her, you see me? So soon forward. So we can do. Guys, remember to like, subscribe and share. That's all I ask you though. I'm not asking nothing much. Just the touch of a button. If you use a mouse, click. If you use your phone, just touch. That's all. Isn't it? Like, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell. Anything. Everything. 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 And if you don't like the prank, we can drop a next prank on her. So, see it here. We have the broken screen effect. See? So this is it. So I click more on nice one where it show like this. That one look perfect. This look perfect. I try that one here. And full screen. One thing. Oh, I'll close off this. Alright. Full screen. So what I need to do, I try to make sure touch the laptop, because if you touch the laptop, she will know say a prank her. Or she will know say something up, see? So see it there. So now it's time. I ask her to borrow it and come back. I ask her about something. I ask her now. Okay, we can borrow a laptop. Want to check some email. Alright. Thanks. Alright, so maybe the angle here kinda good. I'm gonna try and bring it around a little bit more. For, when she come in. Let me see. Come I cover it up. Yeah. So hold on. Yeah. So the tricky night is this, man. I tell her, I say, I have to turn it. When she come in, I try to hide it from her. Because you know she go want to know what happened. Oh, she want to know what happened, you see me? So I have to hide it. So, now forward. Alright, so, ready. I want it from different angles, so see it there as best as we can see it there. Alright. I want to drop something. Alright, so you need to drop something now. You need to drop something. Swatter and want something else. Make one heavy sound. Something to make one heavy sound, like want some kind. Thumb drive. Battery. Raquel. Raquel. Yeah. Look here. Raquel. Yeah. Come here. Raquel.
Yes.
Come here, please.
What you drop? Oh.
No, we have a bit.
Yeah, look.
I'm going to put
Really?
the drop off. I'm going to put the bed. Calm down. I'm going to put the bed. I might have to replace it.
You know you can use the word, right?
Yeah, I know. Like. Calm down.
Let me in. Let me in. Let me in?
It just drop off of the bed.
Drop off. Oh! Mommy!
We go on the bed.
Mommy! Let me drop my laptop. The screen got like not there on the screen. Okay. It just dropped. You still care. You still care. Me not come down. We just come in.
Raquel, it can't fit.
You have to find take the top.
Raquel, hold on.
Stop touch me.
It can't fix. Sorry, it can't fix.
Mommy, come here, please. Let me just sit there and chat about this.
Look, no, look. It dropped. It literally.
Stop telling about look. Come here, I need it to work Monday morning. So you know what you mean by, oh, it can't fix and look. Come, call the man to say my body care come here and come here and leave me laptop Monday morning. Mommy, don't laugh. Oh, come here and come here. Remian.
No, Remian. No,
What you mean not selling care?
We are talking so long for.
You're broke. My laptop. Screen. Asus laptop come like freaking Apple devices. You only can't get them back from Asus.
Yeah, but number for ASUS.
No. Asus the overseas. Then man in Jamaica. You know, move.
Calm down.
Move.
I'll fix it. You're not. So the brother now I fix it for you. You can't call him.
In the repair screen, me have to go source the screen. Look. Man, watch it down, man. Oh, they dropped the laptop.
Actually, take up the laptop. Now go up on the bed, put my foot so. To go up, then I move. I just slide right off of my foot.
Really?
You know
Me hate that way like every day.
No.
Me tell you don't.
I just some email me do one check.
So how you droppy?
I tell them I come up on the bed, slide off of my leg, it drop. When you come in, when you see laptop. I know say you work laptop, Raquel. You know what? Raquel, come here. No, come here. Come here. Come here, Raquel. So,
Right now, me no want hear you, me no want see you, me no want you to call me.
we play laptop.
Prank you. You love taking the joke. Someone didn't kill you anyhow.
Boy.
You look at someone out there, you know?
Okay.
Say the one, look here. Alright, Raquel just get pranked. Yes, Mr. You look at someone there, Jesus.
You see me I sweat? Literally I sweat. Yeah, come back. Good comeback.
Yeah. You want to say about good comeback? Watch me here.
Who sell care? Who sell care? You say COVID time, why sell care, man?
You'd have to sell it if you broke my laptop screen, and that may make you know.
On the laptop, peeps. On the laptop. All good. You see me I say all good. Let me get you. Me get her. See me I sweat me get her. Soon me back.